You just created a stunning image using AI. Now you want to make money out of it. You are in the right place. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, oh great, another make money online video. Trust me, this is different. I'm not just throwing random ideas at you. I'm going to break down actual proven ways to monetize AI-generated images, the pros and cons of each method, and even give you real websites where you can get started today. So stick around till the end because you need to make comparison between all those methods and find out the best one or the ones that not just profitable, but it suits well with your strategies and skills. At the end, you need to make a decision balancing between profitability and your abilities. Let's start with something simple, selling AI-generated images as stock photos. Think about it. Businesses, bloggers, designers, and marketers need high-quality visuals all the time. And instead of hiring expensive photographers or graphic designers, many of them just head over to stock image websites and buy what they need. That's where you come in. Platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock allow you to upload and sell AI-generated images just like regular stock photos. Every time someone downloads your image, you get paid a commission. Sounds easy, right? Well, here's the catch. These platforms are super competitive. You're not the only one who's figured out this trick. To actually make money, you need to focus on niche images that people are searching for but aren't easy to find. Think futuristic cityscapes, hyper-realistic fantasy characters, unique textures, or abstract AI-generated backgrounds. Here's a bonus tip for you. There is a website called Wirestock where you can upload your AI image and it distributes to multiple platforms. This can save lots of time uploading to all those platforms. The downside is that you have to wait several days for approval. The upside? It's passive income. Once you upload your images, they can keep making money for months or even years without you doing anything. The downside? Getting accepted on stock sites is getting tougher because they're cracking down on AI content. Some sites even reject AI images outright, so you have to check their guidelines before uploading. Now, if you want something that has way more earning potential, let's talk about print on demand. Instead of just selling a digital image, you can turn your AI-generated art into physical products, t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, posters, hoodies, and even home decor like pillows and wall prints. Websites like Redbubble, Teespring, Society6, and Printful let you upload your AI designs, and when someone buys a product, they print it and ship it for you. You don't need to worry about inventory, packaging, or shipping. The best part? You set your own price. If your design is unique and eye-catching, people will pay good money for it. The challenge? Marketing. Unlike stock images where people come searching for photos, print on demand requires you to drive traffic to your store. That means promoting your designs on social media, running ads, or even setting up an Etsy shop to reach a wider audience. So if you are not eager to put some time in promotion, you will have little chance for success due to tough competition. A smart trick? Focus on trending topics. AI-generated designs featuring pop culture mashups, viral memes, or aesthetic art styles tend to sell like crazy. If you can tap into what's trending and create high-quality designs, you can make serious money with print on demand. Now, let's get into something that had the internet buzzing for a while. NFTs. Love them or hate them, people are still buying and selling digital art as NFTs, and AI-generated images are a perfect fit for this market. You can create unique, one-of-a-kind AI artworks and sell them on platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, or Foundation. Some people have made thousands of dollars doing this. But let's be real, NFTs aren't what they used to be. The market isn't as crazy as it was in 2021. So does that mean NFTs are dead? Not at all. The trick now is utility. If you just throw random AI images up for sale, no one's going to buy them. But if you turn them into something special, like a limited edition AI-generated art series, collectible profile pictures, or exclusive membership perks, then you're offering something valuable. The biggest downside? It's unpredictable. Unlike stock images or print on demand, where you get steady income, NFTs are all about hype. Some projects blow up and make millions, while others never sell a single piece. It's a high-risk, high-reward game, so it's not for everyone. Here's something a lot of people overlook, offering AI art commissions. Believe it or not, people will pay you to generate AI art for them. Businesses, content creators, authors, And even gamers want unique AI images but don't have the time or the tools to make them. That's where you come in. You can offer your services on freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour. Some AI artists are making hundreds of dollars per project just by tweaking AI-generated images to meet a client's needs. The key here is customization. Don't just sell random AI art. Offer things like personalized character designs, AI-enhanced portraits, or concept art for indie game developers. The challenge? You need to stand out. Since AI art is so easy to generate, clients will expect more than just a basic Midjourney image. If you can add extra value, like editing the images in Photoshop, creating specific styles, or offering commercial use rights, you'll have a much better chance of landing high-paying gigs. This next one is for those who want long-term strategy to make money. High-value clients. Licensing AI-generated images for commercial use. Big brands, ad agencies, book publishers, and marketing companies constantly need fresh visuals. Instead of selling individual images, you can license your AI art to companies for use in their products, websites, or advertisements. Websites like Creative Market, Envato Elements, and Adobe Stock Premium allow you to sell licenses for your AI-generated art. This means companies pay you a fee to use your images without actually owning them. If you get a corporate client that loves your style, they might even sign an exclusive contract with you. The only downside: you need high-quality, original work. Companies won't pay for generic AI images they can find for free. But if you create professional, polished, and highly usable images, you can land serious licensing deals that bring in a lot of money. One of the most scalable ways to make money: creating digital products with AI-generated images. Instead of selling individual images, you can package them into bundles, templates, backgrounds, textures, or design assets and sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, and Creative Market. This method works amazingly well because people love pre-made assets. Web designers, content creators, and small business owners are always looking for digital assets they can use in their projects. The trick is to offer something useful. Instead of just selling random AI pictures, create value-packed digital products like social media templates, AI-generated clip art, printable posters, or background packs for YouTube thumbnails. Another underrated way to make money with AI-generated images is by selling social media templates. Think about it. Businesses, influencers, and content creators are constantly looking for high-quality, eye-catching designs for Instagram posts, Facebook ads, Pinterest pins, and YouTube thumbnails. Instead of spending hours designing from scratch, they prefer ready-made templates that they can customize in seconds. You can use AI tools like Midjourney or DALL-E to generate stunning backgrounds, illustrations, or abstract elements. Then combine them with text placeholders and branding elements in Canva or Adobe Photoshop to create fully customizable templates. Once you've got a good collection, upload them to Etsy, Creative Market, or even Gumroad, and sell them as digital downloads. The beauty of this method? It's scalable and passive. Once your templates are up, they can sell over and over without any extra effort. The downside? The market is competitive, so you need to find a niche like motivational quote templates, minimalist business graphics, or viral-style carousel posts. Finally, this method is a little different because you're not directly selling AI images. However, it could be the best method in my opinion to generate passive income using AI images. The idea here is simple. You create content around AI-generated images, like blog posts, YouTube videos, or even Pinterest boards, and then promote tools, platforms, or services through affiliate links. So shortly, use AI images for affiliate marketing. For example, let's say you make a tutorial on YouTube about how to generate realistic AI art using Canva. In the description, you drop an affiliate link to Canva's subscription page, and every time someone signs up through your link, you earn a commission. The same works for other AI tools like Canva Pro, Adobe Firefly, or even stock photo websites that allow AI-generated content. You can also create a website that ranks for AI-related keywords and embed affiliate links inside blog posts reviewing different AI image generators. The advantage? There's no upfront cost, and if done right, it can become a huge source of passive income. The downside? It takes time to build an audience and generate traffic, but once you do, the income potential is massive. So there you have it. 8 legit ways to turn AI-generated images into money. Whether you want passive income, high-ticket sales, or a full-blown business, there's a method here that can work for you. Which one are you most excited to try, or ever tried? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. If you think those methods to make money is not for you, we have another similar video to further discuss others ways to make money online. Just watch the next video that will appear in front of you soon.